Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects. Hello guys, IRL Noella here, and I returned after a few episodes, so I'm going to preview the farting sound effect from JJ, just like what the Darker Lord and Markov Yuri discussed in Season 3, Episode 12. It was heard in a video called Joel's Jealousy. It was uploaded 2 years ago on 2022, December 23rd. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 136 to 207. Let's see how many total seconds are from this video. The total seconds are 31. Get it? 31 seconds? Alright then. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning and end. I'm going to play it. I told you that the sound effect would sound like, because it is used for my OCs and characters when they poop in the toilet, including Untold Loneliness Oswald. I'm going to link this right here, so it will be in the description, literally, and give credit to JJ before the sound effect starts, and the sound effect starts at 1:36 and ends at 2:07 now, so I'll see you later.